Hey creators, if you've built your app in Bubble and want to publish it live, you're in the right place. First, open your Bubble editor and make sure your app is working perfectly. Test every page, workflow, and button in preview mode. Once you're happy with it, it's time to go live. On the top right corner, click the Deploy to Live button. You have to upgrade first to deploy your app. After that, Bubble will ask you to confirm moving the latest version from development to live. Click Deploy. Now your app is live on Bubble's default domain, something like your app.bubbleapps.io. You can visit it right away to test it. If you want your own custom domain, go to the Settings tab, then open the Domain/Email section. To unlock this feature, you have to upgrade to the starter plan first. After that, enter your domain name, for example, www.yourapp.com, and follow the DNS instructions shown on screen. Once your domain is connected, Bubble will automatically publish your app to that custom link. And that's it. Your Bubble app is now published, live, and ready for users to visit.